G'day guys, Tom from EFS 4x4, and today we're actually out exploring on some of these rugged tracks we've got behind me. And I just want to explain and run through a few different points on why we would look at upgrading a four-wheel drive suspension, because it's arguably one of the most important components of your vehicle. So why exactly do we upgrade our four-wheel drive suspension? Well, first we'll start with the most obvious, which we can actually see with our eyes, and that is to increase the vehicle's ride height. This in turn allows us to gain more clearance while approaching, departing and driving over obstacles in tougher terrains. It also gives us the ability to fit larger tyres, which will also help improve our ground and diff clearance as well as traction. With this extra height and longer shock lengths, we actually have a larger range of motion for the wheel to move through, which gives us much greater travel and articulation. The culmination of all of these factors means that we can keep the wheels where they should be as often as possible, which is on the ground, allowing the tyre to actually maintain traction and keep us moving forwards. This is a huge improvement over what any factory suspension setup can offer. But it's not all just about big lifts, increased travel and driving on rough roads. All of our suspension upgrades will greatly improve the on and off-road handling of your vehicle by reducing brake dive and body roll, all while holding up the weight of those great accessories that you just have to have on your rig. And then there's the ride comfort, which is out of this world. So if you want to make sure that you've got the ultimate in on-road and off-road performance for your four-wheel drive, make sure you get in and see your closest EFS dealer today.